In this video, I will show you how to fix all issues or errors related to Windows Media Player on your Windows 11 PC or laptop. To get started, click on the Windows icon located on your taskbar. This will open up the Start menu. Next, click on Settings from the menu options. Once you're in the Settings window, look for System on the left side panel and click it. Now, scroll down to the bottom of this page until you see Optional Features. Click on it. In the Optional Features section, locate the Added Features area. Here, you will find an option labeled Search Added Features. Click inside that search bar. Type in Windows Media Player and wait for it to appear in your results. Once you see it listed, click on Windows Media Player. Then hit Remove. After you've removed it successfully, it's essential to restart your computer, so go ahead and do that now. After restarting your device, return once again to the same Optional Features page by following those same steps. Now this time, instead of searching for added features directly, look for an option that says Add an optional feature, which should be at the top of this page. Click on it. Here you'll see another search bar where you can enter Windows Media Player. Type it in again, this time we're going to reinstall it. When it appears in your search results, put a checkmark next to Windows Media Player, then click on Next. Click Add. The installation process will begin shortly after this step. Once installed successfully, just like before, it's crucial to restart your device one final time. After rebooting your PC or laptop, launch Windows Media Player once again. You should notice improvements. Any previous errors or playback issues should now be resolved. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and have a good day.